back in there. Better not even fucking put your hands on me. Better not even fucking do it. Back up.
What happened? I thought you wanted to go inside.
Go back. He doesn't know what the First Amendment is and doesn't care.
I know it's uncomfortable. Maybe if you guys solve that crime, this would never happen. Can you get someone to bring down one of the floors building in the courthouse? Court orders, they don't really mean much.
It does.
In a land where the First
It actually does, sir.
The First Amendment.
Those people in Nazi Germany had orders too.
So we're not going to start with the cops coming so early, okay? We're just documenting what you guys are doing. You're all safe because we're here now. All right. I know it's uncomfortable when you guys are on camera.
You can come in. We're not stopping.
Talking about the fact that you've never solved a crime in your entire life, not even one time. And that's the time that lots of people who are just.
I would take a second and read that.
Oh no, I won't.
Yeah, you are. You are going to read this because you're going to have to read. Yeah, because you got to step outside.
I am going to read.
Yes, you do. Here's a court order explaining what you can and cannot do in a courthouse.
The First Amendment.
It sure does. It sure does.
Does not. No, it does not. Sir, I'm giving you.
You don't even know what you don't have to tell me shit.
As of right now, I need you, because there's jurors passing by, so it's a safety issue. I need you to put it down and I need you to read it.
I need you to get out of my face with my safety issue.
They need to step outside.
Go ahead, step back there. Go step behind your thing over there. Go tell the people behind there to do. Yeah, you are. You are. She even came closer and got all up in my head. Yeah, you sure did. Uh-huh. Look at her disdain on her face. No, we're not. You guys are. You guys made the scene here. You guys made the scene.
You guys are surrounding us. We can't even go anywhere.
First Amendment.
I'm not going to tell you what.
First Amendment. First Amendment.
You asked to see it.
I didn't ask to see shit. I said pull up the First Amendment of the United
You know the
States
Nazis
of America.
took orders?
The right
You
of
remember,
the
right?
people to
History.
press.
That's
The right of the
history.
people to assemble.
History.
The right of the people
To
will
petition.
not be ignored in this country anymore. This country is of the people, for the people, by the people.
I think you guys should get somebody who knows what the First Amendment is.
Is beyond any of us. Maybe if you guys could solve a crime once in your life, this would never happen, right? Just solve the crime. That's all we ever asked to do was to solve crime.
Oh, they're getting crybaby ass backup calls right here. Oh, we're such a threat. You guys have the weapons. You guys have the weapons, right? I don't have no weapons. My phone is not a weapon. That's the funniest thing ever. Yeah, it's a weapon. You're the first person that's ever said a camera is a weapon. Yeah. Yeah, you took it out of context by saying it that way. Yeah, you're the devil. You're the devil. You're doing the devil's work. Domestic terrorists. This is domestic terrorists right here.
We got panic buttons going on left and right here. DEFCON 1 and stuff. And
the cameras are such a scary thing. They're blocking you guys, see? Who's blocking it? It's on camera. Who's blocking? We literally got out of the way. Didn't say nothing to nobody.
I know your mama didn't raise you right.
I'm asking you what your name is.
Yeah, and I'm telling you it's not nice.
I tell you what, since you guys would want to come in with cameras, how about if we go up to the presiding judge and let them Why not? Why not?
Nope.
I don't work for you.
I don't answer to none of you guys. I'm free. This is a lobby anyways. It's a corridor, it's a lobby, we can do it. First Amendment. I don't care about no order. That goes against the Constitution, first of all. And you guys took an oath to honor the Constitution.
We also took an oath to secure this building.
No, the fuck you didn't. That ain't no goddamn oath. That's an oath in your head. You probably don't even remember your oath.
Because your insecurities are showing through left and right, What's your name? Gonzalez. And what's those pins? American flag.
I served 23 years in the Marine Corps to defend everybody's freedom.
Yeah, and now you're shit on it.
Well, the people
You just shit on it.
You don't defend freedom. You defended privilege.
Mm-hmm.
The United States military did freedom of navigation operations around China, and now we're doing freedom of navigation operations in the buildings in the United States.
What year?
They do it all the time.
What year?
They sail by China and do freedom of navigation operations every day. Every day.
What year?
Every day.
That's what you should have been doing in
Every
the first
day.
place.
Look at this. Every
Yeah.
day the
Conspiring.
United States military,
Conspiring to commit crimes under the color of law.
navigation operations.
Fuck you, go back in there. Better not even fucking put your hands on me. Better not even fucking do it. Back up.
What happened? I thought you wanted to go inside.
Go back in there.
Okay. I need you to go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back.
Take my phone. This is constitutionally protected activity.
Hey, why are you guys arresting her? She's already outside.
Yeah, you're taking me into it.
Under arrest.
I'm in handcuffs. You guys are the devil.
Not under arrest.
You guys are the devil. It takes 3 to warn you back here. Dirty ass bitches. They're fucking fat.
Why is she under arrest? She's already outside.
Yes, sir.
That's my phone.
Are you recording? Yeah.
But I'm outside already.
Is that her phone?
I'm already outside the courthouse.
Right, yeah, let's do it.
We're
Let's
taking
go.
her up to the court.
Come on, let's go to the judge.
She'll be
I
signing
don't record inside, man.
this out here.
Let's go to one.
The judge has to release it to you. Yeah, the judge has to release it to you inside.
We have to take it.
Yeah, she doesn't know what she's talking about.
They're asking me to go inside. You're asking me to stay out here.
Do you have business upstairs?
I do have business.
Okay, what courtroom or what department are you going to?
I was going to 40, but they have my phone.
That's her phone. She said